the Cheesecake Factory, but we're coming for happy hour. We're gonna come check out how good a happy hour is at Cheesecake Factory. What time is it right now? Like 4 o'clock? 4:20 something. Their happy hour starts at 4, so it's good. You know, if you get off of work a little later. I don't know when it ends, but we're gonna find out. Let's go see. I have to talk. I'm sorry. My wife says I don't have to, but I have to. I think she doesn't like to hear me. But anyway, 4 to 6. Mojitos, Long Island. Look at that for 8 margaritas. Well, here's the important stuff to me. Food. Ooh, calamari. Getting that, sir.
I'm tired of calamari.
Okay, buffalo blast. I don't know what that is. What is it? Chicken, cheese, and stuff. Tamale cakes, happy hour burger. Oh, the happy hour burger here is big. I don't know what I'm getting. I thought they had flatbreads too. We'll see. Oh, it continues. Chicken taquitos. Ooh, stuffed mushrooms. Cheeseburger, spring roll. All right, I'm down for that. Oh, I like crab bites. Okay, I like it all. There we go, guys. We're sitting at the bar. I'm talking. I know I can't help myself. Yes, I ordered something I never do. My wife don't like it, but I'm just gonna have one. I do whatever I want, apparently. I'm out of control teen. Okay, you can get lunch here until 5. So it's during happy hour. Oh. Lame. Oh, there we go. A flatbread pizza and a salad. Get lunch pasta. Alright. Oh, a salmon. I like that. I got a Long Island. I never do this. And she got the mojito. I think this serves a family of 4. Alright. We got some bread here, guys. I think this is a, what do you call this? Sourdough. And
this one is like so hard you can beat somebody with it.
You could beat somebody to death with that thing, so hold on to some of that when you leave. You might need it in the parking lot. And that's some kind of grain bread and butter. All right.
I know, I'll put the pizza
Here
together.
or the Tex-Mex egg rolls, you said?
Yes.
My wife ordered a Tex-Mex egg roll to start with. They had some little pico on the side.
I know, I like to mix it.
Sauce. That's good. And what's in here? Like chicken? Oh yeah, chicken and corn.
Yeah, some of
Very hot.
what it has comes with. I don't know.
Let's see what it
I
comes
just
with.
like it. Black beans and all that.
I don't know where it's at. Tex-Mex egg rolls. There we go. Chicken, corn, black beans, peppers, all that stuff.
That looks good. It'd be like on one of those shows where like...
There's my wife. Not happy. Now she's happy because
No.
look. Right there. Look at that. Happy wife. Happy pasta. That is the Louisiana chicken pasta. There's the leftover bread. We ate all the bread. Sorry, guys. Here's the mac and cheese. I substituted the mashed potatoes for mac and cheese. Yum. Broccoli, salmon, starter. It's all here. We're going to try this out and let you know. Let's see. What's that about, babe? Is that good? Is it spicy? What is it?
Oh no, it's really good.
It's just hella good. I think it's a little spicy. A little bit. Okay. And then I finished my Long Island. We got a strong water with extra ice so it don't hold anything back. Let me tell you something. This mac and cheese is excellent. There's cheese inside the mac and cheese. I just tried some. It's really good. We'll get into this salmon here. And I just got the grilled salmon. They have 4 options. Like a Cajun salmon, breaded salmon, something else. But I got it regular. Let's see. Let's hit record this time. Okay. It's good. It's good. It's salmon. It's grilled. I'll put some lemon on there. See if I can get some here. Let's see. Oh yeah. I don't use any tartar sauce or anything, so really good stuff. Like I said, this is a happy hour too. It's really good. All right.
We'll take a box and then we'll get the ticket.
There is our to-go bag. That goes to the kiddos. So let's go get in the car. All right, so that was, oh, here's my shirt. He's a happy puppy. folks. They understand. Anyway, that was the Cheesecake Factory. Did you like it, wife?
It was good. Their lunch portions are so good. Like, get there before 5 so you can enjoy lunch/dinner.
And happy
at
hour.
the price of lunch.
Yay!
Their portions are
Crazy.
It really is.
But I do have a question. Has anybody else noticed these crazy drones going around?
No. Absolutely not.
How many of y'all noticed the drones? Even the White House
No.
has... They have no answers. There's a lot of them being seen, guys. I don't know what's flying out there. Who's flying it? Where they're coming from. But I do know, yes, I do follow paranormal stuff. If y'all want me to talk about it, let me know. But anyway, they're also over Russia. They're over China. They're in Australia, Austria. I know they're in Manchester, that's for sure. They're not down here in Texas that I've noticed, but we do have some air bases down here close by where we're at. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what you all think. If it's people operated. It's not hobby people, because some of these I've been watching, even senators say they've seen them that are like the size of their garage at the house. I've heard that they could be some kind of Russian plane. I don't know exactly what kind of plane it is, but I don't know. I don't think so, but I've seen them, videos of them going in the water, splashing in the water. I've seen bluish, greenish lights coming out of the water. So I don't know what to think. So you all tell me what you think in the comments, what's going on. So I know if that was going on down here, you know, people would be bringing out their guns and just shooting them down. They don't care. You know, that's just how it is down here. But up there in New Jersey, apparently there's a lot of laws that for some reason they don't allow them to even take down these drones. I don't get it. It's a lot of red tape. And considering what, last year they made a big deal out of knocking down 3, like a weather balloon, and then 2 other ones or 3 other ones. They never told us what they were. One in Alaska, one in Canada, one over some lake or river up north. Well, I don't know what's happening. But, you know what? There's even drones in Chile. And there's some of California coming out of the water in California. So if you kind of, was it Brazil too? Somewhere down in Mexico, it kind of makes like a triangle almost. Like if you put it on a map in 3 dots, like in the northeast and the southwest over there by California, and then down south in Mexico, but on their other peninsula on the bottom. I don't know. I don't understand. I don't get it. I don't know what they're doing. Anyway, guys, it was nice to have you along for dinner and nice to let you ramble, or let me ramble to you. So we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you, guys. Bye.